So this was an assignment to make a biodata. So let's see how it is made. So means many students are not able to understand. So first of all, see how it is made. This is my biodata that I made. I will make a fresh biodata. Let's see how it is made. So this is the new page I opened. This is the new page I opened. Control enter, page break, the new page. So the first of all what we have to do is, see, the first of all is written biodata. The first line is written biodata. So I will write biodata over there. I will write biodata, B-I-O-D-A-T-A-F-O-R-M, form. Now this thing is in Arial black. This is in Arial black. Arial black, font size 22, and in the center align with underline as single underline, and underline color is gray, this gray color. So we got that biodata. The gray is little more lighter. The next line is written Institute of Space Technology. Just a minute. Yeah, the next line is written Institute, TITU, Institute of Space Technology. So this is in Arial format, means the font is, sorry, the font is Calibri, and the underline is not there, and the font size is 16, I think, and no, not 16, it is 18, 20, not 22, 24, it is 24. So the next line it is written application form. Application form. This is a smaller text size, and we will write as 16. Now there are space between these two lines, so this space has to be eliminated. Remove space after the paragraph, it is eliminated. The space is eliminated, the space is gone. The next line, from here the form is starting. I will do the left alignment, change the font size to 10, and the Calibri body will be the font. The first column contains computer number. Computer number. This is my spelling mistake, I am clearing it. Yeah, computer number with this dash line. How we make the dash? By pressing the shift and the underscore key together, the dash will appear. The next line is for official use only, like this, for official use only. The blue line means there are grammatical errors, so we will click on ignore ones, no need. So the next is post applied for. So first of all, see, this computer number and official, for the official use, they were in the right side, so I will put the right alignment over there. Now this post applied for, this post applied for, this is, now see, this post applied for, there are, what I will do, there are colon, means I have to press the colon, but it is not like this that I will press the colon anyhow. First I will press the tab key once, twice. Now I will press the colon and then give the dash. The dash is till the bottom of the computer C. Again, the next line is name. After writing the name, press once tab, second time tab, third time tab. All the colon will come in the same alignment, same indentation. The colons are in the same alignment. Now again, father's name. Press once tab, second tab, colon, and this thing. Same line. Again there is date of birth. Date of birth. Press tab once, twice, colon, underline. Yeah. Now there is marital status. Like this I made it. After that, see, in the date of birth column there was one given as age. I forgot that, so I will press some line over here and I will give one space and write age, and this I will make it complete. Again, then in just bottom of the edge it is written domicile. So domicile, D-O-M-I-C-I-L-E, domicile, like this. Now this space is appearing, backspace, underline. The extra that is going should be deleted. This is the edge part is also, means this domicile, this line is also complete. Now see, the problem is it is not coming in the same line. So what I will do, just give one backspace and one space, and now make it so. Now it will come in the straight line. After this it is given CNIC number, CNIC number, tab, 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 underline. Then it is given postal address, tab, tab, underline. The postal address is extending till the bottom of the bracket of that for official use only. Again, next line, tab, 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 space, underline. The next line is permanent address, permanent, ADDRESS, address, tab, colon, underline. Tab, 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 colon, no colon over here, space, underline. Then comes the phone number and cell number. Phone number, then tab, tab, colon, underline. Cell number is somewhere over here, cell number, colon, numbers O, colon, underline. Enter. After that it is email address, email, ADDRESS, email address, tab, tab, colon, underline. Again there is postal order oblique bank draft number, like this it is written. So postal order oblique bank draft number, dot, underline. Single line, bank draft. Then again I missed out something, there was something written as date. So date, like this, colon. It is saying the red. I will ignore it. I will ignore it and then type. So this has to be brought in the same line. It is in the same line now. No, not in the same line. Here I have to give one space. Now it is in the same line. After this, education, EDUCATION, education. After education, see, we have to insert the table. Table is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows. So insert table, that is 9 column and 8 rows. So this is 9 column and 8 rows inserted. So the first thing is certificate oblique degree. The second column is discipline oblique field. The third column is duration of studies. The next is school oblique board, ARD, board oblique university. The space is not there with the column. This the space is not there. So, and this is in the straight line. Now one more thing, it can be made compressed because I have to save the space also. Yeah. So duration of studies, like this it is given. School, board, university in a single line. School, board, university in a single line. Then it is given year. This has to be adjusted. Then it is given total marks. then it is written 10 marks. Then percentage, after that division is here. Now this thing is in the bold, all these things are in the bold and in the center align. So in the home tab, center align, bold. Since this board and university in the straight line, again I have to extend it. Sorry, something is going wrong. I will deselect all. After that, when this icon will come, then I will this is done, this is done, then this has to be then again this has to be, this has to okay, this has to be of 10 marks. Yeah, division is there. Now this division I have to increase the space from here like this. Done. Little bit decrease the space. So the first things, these things can be typed as it is given. As it is given, you can type it. I'm just copying it to make it quickly. You can type it. See, when after the typing, it is easy. This typing is easy. You can do it. This is much easy. And after this, I don't think there will be any trouble, because after this it is simple typing. Like all these things can be typed simply. So I'm just copying it and I'm putting over here. And after this there is a table, that is the experience table. That also it can be done, because this table I have shown how to do it. Just in that manner you have to do it. Now see what is the problem happening over here. There are space bit above the paragraph, so I have to remove the spaces, remove space before paragraph. These things are repeated. Yes. So this form is now complete. There is space above the paragraph, so I have to add space before. Now this form is complete. If it is going, some parts are going below the next page, then just decrease the margin like this and increase the margin also like this. So this typing is over, for example. Now what I have to do, insert the second border. For this I will go to this, sorry, I will go to the insert, I will choose the shape, I will choose this rectangle, and I will draw a rectangle over here. See carefully, you have to draw a rectangle over here for the second border. I draw a rectangle. When this rectangle is drawn, double click on this rectangle. This format tab will activate. In the shape fill you go and do no fill. In the outline you go and do black. Again in the shape outline you go and take the weight as 6 point. Again in the shape outline you go and take the dashes and select the mode lines. From here you take this option, compound type, and do this one, the fourth option. See that same very style has appeared as it was in the original given. Now the problem is this margin is overlapping with the table, so we will extend it manually like this. No problem. Now in some students were asking that there is a white bar above the biodata written. Yes, we can put that white bar also. Just go to the insert, and then you select the shape. Select the shape as rectangle and draw a rectangle over here. Zoom it little bit. Zoom it. Now this rectangle, you go to the shape outline, select white, go to the shape fill, select white. Now this rectangle you put it over here like this. If you put it and you zoom out, you see that white portion will come. This is what it was there in the original PDF like this. So you have to make it like this. I hope the video is clear. If any doubt, you can communicate me.